What's going on? I've had a pretty good week, but it's just been a little mentally rough. I think today has been the most annoying. So I'm just gonna do a little quick trade recap over today. And then I did a little back testing. I recorded a video, but it was just super quiet because I got in my head. But I'm back now. I'm gonna stop being a little bitch. So let's do a little recap. Where the freak? Ah, Train views acting retarded too, bro. Yeah, I do this in like 15 minutes. Bro, what is going on? I got a bias on that thing. Okay, going to the morning, I had bearish bias trending towards some slanted lows, and we have some external draws on liquidity. I want to see a slight pullback and then continue lower. Oh, that's the wrong chart. And then this is Friday. We didn't really have no significant news. So at this point, bro, sorry, I'm so slow. Oh yeah, okay, here we go. ES had took this low, but NQ didn't, so we had an SMT. But at this point, I still didn't want to see any longs, because I mean, I got to see the most significant liquidity pool taken. So once we took that most significant liquidity pool, I seen the fudge what's going on. Sorry, give me 1 second. Okay. Oh shoot, I'm tweaking. Yeah. Anyways, we left that liquidity pool. We pulled back into a 5-minute. We had a freaking 15-minute gap, and I wanted to see this hit. These continuation shorts looked so good, but we just ended up taking a low. And from here, we created a 5-minute bearish condition. So I think at this point we just hit that drawn liquidity on both pairs. So I was open the longs. Let me go to where we took that low. Yep, so right here we took that low. And then I seen this 5-minute inverse, and from here I was like, okay, I like this. We left this 15-minute gap, so I was like, bam, I'll go long here. This was a pretty like scuff trade. RR was pretty bad. I wanted to run. Oh, what is going on? I want to let this run for 101. Pretty tight stop for me when we have an SMT. I think we had an SMT. I like to run the whole wick, but this just wasn't the case. Bang. Just let this play out. ES ended up taking. Dog, am I tweaking? Whoa. Hold on. Let me pause this. Let me fix this. Okay. This was that break even spot. And then ES already took it and filled that gap. Honestly, I wasn't really feeling it at this point. I was like, okay, if this is break even, I don't care. So we ended up getting break even on this. And then from here, we dumped. And we had another 5-minute gap, and we could have got another continuation, but we ended up inversing it. So that was nothing. And then from there, I honestly didn't really know what I wanted to see anymore. So I guess we continue that bearish bias. And we just kept dumping, we just kept dumping, we just kept dumping, and I think that is this session. So it's really not much to work with. My deal would have been this short here with trend. And yeah, not really a bad trading day. Just had to play super patient. And then where's that execution? Yeah, and all these entries just because I entered different. I just spam this button. Yep, there's that, and then I'll go over some of my, I think back testing. I think I did. Damn, I didn't journal these. I forgot. Can you pull up executions on here? That would be dope. Please, please, please. Nope. Okay, let me figure this out. Give me a sec. Okay, honestly, I didn't journal them, so I'm not gonna be able to see them. But I can just do a little bit, do some quick live back testing. Don't mind that. My brain's not fried anymore, so I can get me a video out for the day. Got a bunch of slanted lows below us. You can see that clear bullish trend, trending where. Looks like we got a really nice gap right here. Bars 150 points, very doable. Bunch of lows below us. I'd love to see us pull back lower. Let me take any of these. Yeah. Take any of these would be clean. So I'm bullish. I want to see us open lower. Bang, there's an open lower. Holy dump. Bang, took this. I want to see that. Yep, there we go. There's that. Oh my gosh. Okay. Bang finally came down. We swept, took all this liquidity. SMT there. 4-hour gap. There's an SMT with this 4-hour gap. 5-minute here. Oh, that can't be anything. 5-minute condition. What I want to do off this. Go higher. Okay. Price pull back to a 15-minute. Oh. I really wish we had some better LR build up. Okay. Yeah, okay. I'm messing with this. I'll go this really quick. So, we dump in. Price showed that we were bearish. Price came up, filled this 15-minute gap, tapped this really discounted 5-minute, and we hit this high inside of the gap. We have an inversion right here. We got some LR built up. Get that low right there. Oh, we just seem really far though. Okay, I don't know if this is the inversion leg. I'm not sure. Vegan shit. Okay, now we got the inversion. Highest time for an inversion. I'm gonna rip this. The high. Honestly, I'm just gonna target this low. It's good enough R for me. Just gonna be regular continuation short, some generated LR. Bang, bang, bang. CP like that. Could see if we want to run all the way down. Yeah, and we always do this, but I don't know where we be edging stuff. I don't like holding through this. Yeah, we're doing bumfuck. I don't know. Really good trade. Wrong bias though. Really wrong bias. Holy cow. No, we're not entering trade. What am I doing? Bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang. Alright, just looking at this, we tapped this low inside of a gap. So we got some slanted highs above. Ooh, this trend line looks beautiful. This looks retarded. Keep this like this. What are we doing? Mic on? Yes, okay. That would have been tragic. SMT at that low inside of the gap. That is nice. Wow. We just burn higher. Oh my gosh, bro. You would have been a bajillionaire if you got in that long. Yo, let me. What news is this day? Tuesday 28th. Consumer confidence at 10 a.m. Probably want to wait for that. So honestly, just looking at this, we're bullish. We're bullish. And I want to see. Oh wow. Massive SMT about to happen. Bang, there we go with that. So rebalance central. None of that. We got a 30-second. I don't take 30 seconds, dude. We play it out with no entry. Continuation. There's no gap. There's probably 30 seconds in here. So take those. Fuck, my freaking fingers hurt, bro. Alright, now, we're bullish. We hit that key DOL. Like now, just look for a continuation or reversal, whatever we want to do. I think I'm just waiting for 10 a.m. news. Okay, 10 a.m. news dropped. Sold us off. Where are we going? SMT at this low. Yeah. Oh, is there really no? Dang. No entry or anything. Oh, resweep. 10-minute. Damn, why there gotta be a 4-minute right there? Still nothing for me. We took that prominent draw on liquidity. It's probably what I should have waited for in the first place. Why did we just skip 5 minutes? At the low, 5-minute gap. Okay. I'm calling it there. Let's go next session. No trades on that day. Bang, go here. Give me this. I've been accumulating after distributing 4,000 points. Still got lower draws on liquidity, so we're going to be bearish. I would love to see price open higher here. We got a 1-hour gap right here. Never mind, we already got an SMT in there. See if price just wants to open higher. There's a gap. We open lower. There's just rip straight to withdrawal liquidity. How many gap above? Do we take significant liquidity? Nah, still pretty bearish. Why do we keep doing that? Fucking Powell, well, the hell with you, boy. Let's say Powell, 9 a.m. Oh, 9 a.m. data high right here. This kind of changes the game. I think we cracked that data high. Per minute inverse. Okay. I'm still pretty bearish. Still got those internal draws. We took that data high. We took draws above. Would love to see price go lower, but we didn't get any opportunities. I don't like the draws on liquidity here. Maybe we get a continuation short. Hold on a minute. Tap that 5 minute. We were just, the hell is chop, rip, chop, rip, chop, rip, chop, rip, chop, rip, chop, rip. Oh, I used no chop here. But yeah, that's such. Stop doing that, bro. We just did it again. And we just did it again. We're on the 1 minute time frame. Oh, nothing again. I'll go to Friday and then I'll call it a video. Bang, we finally went lower. Oh my gosh, look at this price action. Terrible. Oof. Super significant liquidity pool inside of a gap. No, did we? Relative equal lows. That's a good target. Price came up, swept this high in a gap. SMT with the high in a gap. Market just don't want me to win. Two nice significant liquidity pool. 5 minute gap. No entry for a mech model. Okay, we got a 5 minute gap here. Liquidity built up, headed towards it. Accumulation. We accumulated, manipulated lower. If we get inversion here, I would like this. Inversion here, no. Try it again, no. secondary data high. Okay, now we're still selling off super heavy. Maybe we want to hit this. Why is my thing freezing? Price is not. Oh wait. Activation. I should cheeks anyways. S&T with these highs. We got lower draws on liquidity. Massive 3-minute. Got a 5-minute now. Yeah. This looks like it'd be good. Idiot versions. Friday last day, I'll make it quick. Okay, just looking at price, we got relatively lows here. Got LR above, it's pretty mixed. Inverted this, we got S&T here. I don't see nothing super clear. Can play higher, check out this high. It'll look good. That ass might take this 30 seconds. Okay, massive S&T. Okay. This is okay. Came down. Tapped this one error. Liquidity pool. Got balance of 5-minute too. Just open that up. So we ended up holding it. Now we're gonna rip higher. Do we tap it? Do we tap it? No, we left it. Bang, tap it there. Inversion. That higher deal is still intact. We got this high right here. ES is getting for. And we got 5-minute continuation. 5-minute right gap delivery. Hit 1 minute's highest time frame. I'll rip this. I like this. Let me just know S&P PMI at 10 a.m. Shoo! The trade's got a whole lot juicier. That high. Oof. Rip this. The hell was that? What? Bro. That is the most retarded thing I've ever seen. I have 2 minutes here. Dog, I really love this trade, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, we got relative equal lows below, we got significant draw liquidity right here. Pull back to a 15-minute gap, conversion, low below. We'll rip this. It is pretty late in the session. It's a really clean looking trade though. Same thing, 15-minute continuation on the other side. Really good speed and delivery. I'm gonna replay this a second, make sure this close through. Okay, yeah, close to there. Yeah. So we get the high. Slightly lower, get my 101. Hurt this like so. Watch your shit rip. That ass. Or not. Okay. That's gonna call it for a video. Literally just got cucked. Yeah, that is literally all there is to say.